Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making crispy and delicious Atta Aloo Puri Samosa, a unique layer snack with spicy potato stuffing inside and a crunchy golden outside. Perfect for breakfast, tea time or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually. Atta-based snacks feel more homemade and filling. And make a smooth dough. Do not make the dough too soft. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the stuffing. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons onion, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Chaat masala gives a tangy street style flavor. Now take small portion of dough. Now take some dough and roll it out. Spread the potato stuffing evenly. Spread stuffing evenly for better folding. Cut into long strips. Roll samosa create beautifully crunchy layers. Fold as shown. Layered samosa snacks are popular for their crispy texture. And roll gently. Now prepare flour slurry. Take 3 tablespoons flour. Add half cup water. Mix well. Dip the prepared samosas into the slurry. Heat oil and fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Potatoes provide energy and fullness. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Fresh coriander adds flavor and freshness. You can control spices and oil according to your preference. Your crispy homemade Atta Aloo Puri Samosa is ready. Serve hot with tea, ketchup or chutney and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy homemade recipes.